conviction to join the efforts of the Crusades. Right? He saw the great suffering that was being inflicted upon the Christians in the Holy Land. So he went on 2 different occasions and joined the Crusades. And it was on his second attempt, when he was on the Crusades, that he contracted and died of typhus. But as he was dying, he had this inspiration, and he wrote to one of his sons, Philip. And this would be his last testament. And in that, and we have his words to this day, he exhorted his son to put into practice the words that our Lord said in today's gospel. That is, to love the Lord your God with all your heart, your soul, and your mind. He also wrote to his son saying, you should permit yourself to be tormented by every kind of martyrdom before you would allow yourself to commit a mortal sin. So Louis was convinced that to commit a mortal sin is the worst evil, the greatest evil in the world. And why? Because in committing a mortal sin, we lose the greatest good, which is communion with God himself. And he wanted to instill that into his children, to at all costs avoid committing sin, especially mortal sin.